Do you keep struggling to lose weight? Are you able to lose weight but it bounces back quickly? Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Master Your Health. I hope you are enjoying these videos and are taking good care of your health. I get a lot of requests to make video on weight loss. So even in my day-to-day OPD practice, a number of people they come, they tell me that they are not able to lose weight or they are able to lose weight but it bounces back quickly. So today I'll talk about some common mistakes that most of us make when we are trying to lose weight. So the most common mistake that we all make is skipping meals. Many people come to me, they tell me that we skip our meals, especially the breakfast. So it is not a good idea to miss your meals. What happens is if you miss your meals, your body metabolism will slow down. And not only this, many a times because you will be too hungry after skipping your meal, you may end up eating very high calorie unhealthy snacks, or you may end up eating more calories in your next meal. With slow metabolism, these added calories will end up being stored in your body as a fat. So skipping meals is not a good idea if you are trying to lose weight. In fact, you should be eating small but frequent meals. So the second most common mistake that we all make is that we set unrealistic goals for weight loss. I come across a number of articles or videos that claim that you will be able to lose weight, a few kilos of weight in 5 days or 7 days or 10 days. So these type of weight loss actually is unhealthy and not sustainable. By making drastic changes in your lifestyle, in your diet, you may be able to lose your weight initially. But what happens is soon you will get demotivated. You will stop following those dietary changes or exercise, and then you will regain that weight even more than it was there previously. So whatever goals you set, remember they should be realistic. Do not make drastic changes in your lifestyle. You should be making small changes, maybe one change at a time. Try to sustain it for a few days, then make another change and try to sustain those changes subsequently. Another mistake that many people make is they do not get enough sleep or they are under stress. Remember, if you do not get enough sleep, there will be some hormonal changes. It will actually impair your weight loss. Sleep helps in regularizing some hormones like ghrelin and leptin that actually help in your regulating your hunger. So it is very important you take regular sleep, at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Also, if you are under stress, there will be excessive stress hormones, especially cortisol, which will again which will hamper your weight loss mission. It is very important to reduce your stress and to take enough sleep at night. Consuming high calorie snacks or foods in between your major meals. This is a very common mistake that many people make. Most of the people, what they do is whenever they are counting their calories, they just consider the number of chapatis or the calories in their major meals. They forget to count the calories in their minor meals. Some people might be consuming foods like chips or burgers or pizzas or samosas or biscuits, or even they may be drinking some calories, like they may be taking juices or cold drinks which may have a lot of calories. So whenever you are trying to cut down your calories to lose weight, it is important to count for each and every calorie that you are consuming. Best method for this would be to either use some app which can help you track down your calories, or to maintain a diary where you can write each and everything that you are consuming, even if you don't feel that is significant. That will help you in keeping a total count of your calories and actually reducing your calories to lose your weight. Another common mistake that we make is consuming too much of so-called low-fat diets. What happens is many people they get a lot of low fat foods. They remember, low fat does not equate with low calorie foods. Even foods which are low in fat, they may be high in carbohydrates or proteins, and they may still be high in number of calories that they are providing. So remember, too much of any food will actually be detrimental to your effort to lose your weight. You can actually, we say that you do not have to stop eating anything for weight loss, but it is important to reduce the frequency and quantity of the foods which are high calorie foods, and even the foods which are low calorie, you have to restrict the quantity of those foods. Too much of any food would be bad. So friends, these are some of the common mistakes that most of us make when we are trying to lose weight. I'll talk about more of such mistakes in my further video. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment box and I'll try to answer them in my subsequent videos. If you are already an existing subscriber, then thank you very much for coming back and watching my videos. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive the notification whenever a new video comes up. So I wish you all a very good health.